How's your all? I am Sneha from Dronacharya Group of Institution. My seminar topic is cybersecurity. So let's get started. Next slide. Contents are introduction, type of cybercrime, cyber threat evolution, advantages of cybersecurity, safety tips to cybercrime. Next slide. Introduction. The internet in India is growing rapidly. There are two sides to a coin. Internet also has its own disadvantages in cybercrime, illegal activities committed on the internet. Crime committed using a computer and the internet to steal a person's identity or illegal imports or malicious programs. Cybercrime is an activity done using computers and the internet. Cybersecurity refers to the technologies and processes designed to protect computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access and attacks delivered via the internet by cybercriminals. Through cybersecurity is important for the network, data, and application security. The objective of cybersecurity is to establish rules and measures to use against attacks over the internet. Next slide. Types of cybercrime are hacking, phishing, denial of services, spam email, spyware, adware, malware, Trojan, virus, worms, etc., ATM, scheming, and point of scale crimes, ransomware. Next slide. Hacking. Hacking in simple terms means an illegal intrusion into a computer system and or network. It is also known as cracking. Government websites are the hot target of the hackers due to the press coverage it receives. Next slide. Phishing. Phishing is a fraudulent attempt usually made through email to steal your personal information. Phishing is the attempt to obtain sensitive information such as username, password, and credit card details, often for malicious reason through an electronic communication such as email. A common online phishing scam starts with an email message that appears to come from the trusted source legitimate site but actually directs recipient to provide information to a fraudulent website. Next slide. Denial of service. This is an act by the criminals who flood the bandwidth of the victim network. In the DOS attack, the hacker uses a single internet connection to either exploit a software vulnerability or flood a target with fake requests, usually in an attempt to exhaust server resources. On the other hand, DDoS attacks are launched from multiple connected devices that are distributed across the internet. DOS, when a single host attacks. DDoS, when multiple hosts attacks simultaneously and continuously. Next slide. Spam email. Email spam is the electronic version of junk mail. It involves sending unwanted messages, often unsolicited advertising, to a large number of recipients. Spam is a serious security concern as it can be used to deliver Trojan horses, viruses, worms, spyware, and targeted phishing attacks. Next slide. Malware. It's malicious software such as virus, worms, and Trojan which specifically designed to disrupt or damage computer system or mobile device. Hackers are malware for any number of reasons such as extracting personal information or passwords, stealing money, or preventing owners from accessing their device. Viruses are programs that attach themselves to a computer or a file and to other computer on a network. They usually affect the data on a computer and mobile device either by altering or deleting it. Next, worms, unlike viruses, do not need the host to attack themselves. They merely make functional copies of themselves and do this repeatedly till they eat up all the available space on the computer's memory. Trojan is a type of malware that pretends to be something useful, helpful, or fun while actually causing harm or stealing data. Trojans are often silently downloading other malware. Example: spyware, adware, ransomware on an infected device as well. Trojan can infect you in places where you might not accept it, such as emails, downloads, and more. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to avoiding this type of malware. Next slide. Spyware. Spyware is a type of malware that hackers use to spy on you in order to gain access to your personal information, banking detail, or online activity. We should protect ourselves by an anti-spyware tool. Adware. Adware is a type of malware that bombards you with endless ads and pop-up windows that could potentially be dangerous for your device. The best way to remove adware is to use an adware removal tool. Next slide. Ransomware. Ransomware is as scary as it sounds. Hackers use this technique to lock you out of your devices and demand a ransom in return of access. Ransomware puts you in a sticky situation, so it's best to know how to avoid it. Ransomware, aka rogueware and or scareware, restricts access to your computer system and demands that a ransom is paid in order for the restriction to be removed. The most dangerous ransomware attacks are caused by WannaCry, Patia, Cerber, and Locky ransomware. The money which supposed to be paid to remove ransomware from your system, which is called ransom money. Current affairs example: WannaCrypt Patia variant. Next slide. Advantages of cybersecurity. It will defend us from hacks and virus. It helps us to browse the safe website. Internet security process all the incoming and outgoing data on your computer. The cybersecurity will defend us from critical attacks. The application of cybersecurity used in your PC needs update every week. The security developers will update their database every week once. Hence, the new virus also detected. Next slide. Safety tips to cybercrime. Use antivirus software. Insert firewalls. Uninstall unnecessary software. Maintain backup. Check security settings. Never give your full name or address to strangers. Learn more about the internet privacy. Thank you.